Maleigh of MLAartistry here today to bring you this look. Starting today's tutorial with some concealer prep. Foundation has also already been applied underneath. And we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. As you can see, I'm starting with a lighter shade of brown, and I'm really just going to build at this point, adding in a slightly darker color to really build that crease out. And I'm going to just keep on building. So we're going to go slightly darker each time. I'm building from a series of browns to a black, and that's really just going to help get me that extra definition and pop needed for this look. Blending that all the way out and blending some more. I'm still using the black eyeshadow. If this is sped up too fast for placement, just pause it. Carrying the eyeshadow into the eye socket, just really pack in the black eyeshadow right here. Next, you will need the Tartelette black eyeliner or your substitute and a little bit of patience, if I'm being honest. This part was probably the most difficult out of all of the parts. I will say, don't worry if you mess up. I'm going to show you how to correct and clean up your line here shortly. So don't have an oh my god moment if it's not perfect. So that is how we're going to correct. We're just taking a little bit of concealer, that is the NARS Creamy Concealer, and cleaning up the line. That way, simply apply for coverage and then blend it out. Following up with the black Maybelline Unstoppable eyeliner, and I'm just going to color in that waterline, and then I'm adding the white right there where I left that section open. Bringing in the Hypnose Mascara by Lancome and adding a light coat. Now I'm going to go in for a contour. Now I'm starting out with this shade and it's Honey, and then I'm going in and adding Vanilla because it ended up not being light enough for me. After that portion, I am going to set it with Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And then I'm going to go in with the bronzer portion. I'm using the Bobbi Brown in shade Deep. And I'm really just going to start building the cheekbone underneath, the hollows of the temples, the forehead. Now all of this brown underlying is also going where I'm going to fade in some black paint. So I'm just kind of also mapping out as I apply it. Adding that contour to the nose, and I'm going to build it up here momentarily, so stay tuned. There's the black. I'm going to go in and create the nose at this point and really add more detail to this look overall. I'm going to blend that into the cheek right there, and really basically anywhere I just did the contour, I'm adding more shadowed effect, more character, I guess you could say. Blending that out. Now I'm going in with the Tartelette eyeliner and really making those brows super bushy and pronounced. And then the Maybelline black eyeliner, which I used earlier, I'm just taking it on the top lip. I will say that was kind of hard to get off, so heads up. Going in with black body paint at this point and really adding more character and depth to the overall look. I'm using a smaller brush and mimicking hair strokes at this point. I want it to look kind of like fur, so I'm just going in and building that out. Here shortly I will go add more, I guess, darker pieces, so just add in a little more water, pick up a little more paint, and I'm kind of building in layers just to make it look more realistic. Definitely don't paint hair on the regular basis, so this is new for me. If I can pull it off in my first try, I have full faith that you can also. Going in and adding hair effects to the collarbone just to really kind of play this character all the way out. Adding in more black for dimension. And that's where I'm taking the black eyeshadow and really just kind of building more product. Now, I know you can see, well, right now I'm taking the white body paint for the teeth, but I know you can see the hairline is still revealed. I'm going to be pulling the wig down a little further, so that's going to cover that portion. And then adding white paint, just very small strokes throughout, just like I said, to add a little extra character. I don't want to do too much because that is just an accent piece. I'm going in and adding over the white eyeliner with paint, dusting off the excess powder, and there it is. Welcome to the wild side. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you here next time.